Hi, today I'm going to show you one really simple method to crop image in Inkscape. There is one really simple method that I use every day in my job as a graphic designer, and I will show you how to do it. So first you need to do is open your image that you want to crop. I have here illustration, but it doesn't matter really. You can apply it in any object that you want to use it. So now we go to the left panel and click here on the rectangle tool. Now you need to draw the area that you want to crop. So for example, I will draw here a rectangle, something like that. Remember that you can always modify this area by clicking on selector tool, and you will see here some arrows now. You can modify it by holding the arrows, yeah? So something like that, or something like that, yeah? So for example, I want to crop this area. So now you need to select all objects here. So I will select chair and the rectangle. And here you need to go to object bookmark and go to clip and select here set clip. I click on it. And like you see, our image or illustration has been successfully cropped. And this is method that I use always. If it helps you, remember to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.